Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you the best setting for your LG UltraGear 45GX monitor. First things first, you want to basically use a DisplayPort in order to unlock the higher refresh rate and at the same time the highest resolution in there. You want to go ahead and head over to the Windows display setting, navigate through the advanced display setting, and from there you want to set the highest refresh rate possible. Now you want to access your monitor's OSD setting by basically clicking the controls or the joystick right behind it, and then you want to apply the following setting. The mode or game mode is going to be gamer 1, refresh rate is 165 or 330 Hz in dual mode, adaptive sync is going to be on, brightness is 60 or 100 nits, or 60 or 80, but of course it can depend on your room lighting. Contrast 70, sharpness 50, black stabilizer 50, gamma mode 3, and color temperature is going to be warm. Now for your HDR game mode, you want to set it to gamer 1. Your peak brightness is low, which provides us with the most accurate colors, or high for brighter highlights. The Windows HDR calibration, you could run it once after enabling HDR, and the HDR is going to be on only for HDR supported games, but if you're mainly using it for competitive gaming, then I highly suggest to turn it off. Now for OLED care, you want to turn on your pixel cleaning and image cleaning, screen move, and the logo brightness protection. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.